Hello and thank you for visiting my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. On this channel, you'll find content dedicated to health, wellness, and ways to maintain a youthful appearance. Whether you're interested in improving your posture, facial exercises, or nutrition for healthy skin, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the valuable tips and tricks I'll be sharing. Let's embark on this journey to better health and vitality together. A 75-year-old active female cosmetic surgeon shares 3 habits to maintain youthfulness as we age. This video is a must-watch for those concerned about sagging skin, dull complexion, or anyone looking to rejuvenate in a healthy way. The video covers simple exercises to improve muscle and blood circulation, essential nutrients for diet, and tips for posture and facial muscle care. With advice based on years of medical experience, it's a practical guide that you can start following today. Gentle exercise. Simple moves for skin rejuvenation. As we age, our body's natural ability to maintain muscle tone, circulation, and skin health diminishes. However, engaging in gentle exercises like squats, leg lifts, and standing up from a chair can make a significant difference in maintaining muscle function, improving blood circulation, and promoting healthier skin. These simple, low-impact exercises are often overlooked but can help us feel and look better as we age. Benefits of gentle exercises for muscle and skin health. The key benefits of incorporating gentle exercises into your routine are multifold. Firstly, these exercises can significantly improve your muscle tone and strength, which are essential for overall health and a youthful appearance. Additionally, by improving blood circulation, these exercises help provide oxygen and nutrients to the skin, leading to healthier, more radiant skin. Improved circulation also helps to remove toxins from the body, reducing the risk of developing skin conditions like acne and dullness. Enhancing circulation for healthy skin. One of the most powerful benefits of gentle exercises is their ability to enhance circulation. As we age, our circulation naturally slows down, which can affect the way our skin looks and feels. Poor circulation means that oxygen and nutrients are not being delivered as effectively to our skin cells, leading to dullness, sagging, and the formation of wrinkles. By engaging in exercises that stimulate blood flow, like leg lifts or squats, we can improve the circulation in the body and promote better skin health. Simple exercises for enhancing circulation. Simple exercises such as squats, leg lifts, or standing up and sitting down from a chair can be easily incorporated into any routine. These exercises do not require much time or effort, but they provide significant benefits for the body, especially the skin. Squats are excellent for improving leg strength and stimulating circulation throughout the lower body. Leg lifts target the muscles in the thighs, hips, and lower abdomen, helping improve the flow of blood to the lower half of the body. The simple act of standing up and sitting down from a chair can help stimulate circulation, particularly in the lower body. This exercise is excellent for older adults, as it strengthens the legs and improves balance. Standing up and sitting down also helps with blood flow to the spine, contributing to better posture and reduced back pain. Benefits for skin health, radiance and rejuvenation. When blood circulation improves, it enhances the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the skin, making it look more youthful and radiant. This is crucial in preventing the skin from becoming dry, sagging, or developing wrinkles. Engaging in regular, gentle exercise helps to promote collagen production, which is key for skin elasticity. Collagen is a protein that gives skin its structure and firmness. And as we age, our body produces less of it. However, by improving blood circulation through exercise, we can help maintain healthy collagen levels, thus preserving skin elasticity and a youthful appearance. Muscle strength and its role in skin firmness. Strong muscles play a critical role in maintaining skin firmness. When our muscles are weak, our skin tends to sag more easily. Exercises that strengthen the muscles, such as squats and leg lifts, help support the skin by providing a firm foundation beneath it. By maintaining muscle tone, we not only look better, but we also improve the overall structure of our skin, preventing the appearance of loose or sagging skin. Conclusion. The importance of consistency in gentle exercise. Incorporating simple, Gentle exercises into your daily routine is one of the most effective ways to improve muscle tone, enhance circulation, and rejuvenate the skin. While these exercises may seem small or insignificant, their cumulative effects are substantial. Regularly engaging in activities like squats, leg lifts, and standing up from a chair can make a significant difference in your appearance and health, leaving you feeling more energized and youthful. Proper diet. Maintaining skin elasticity and overall health. A balanced diet plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health and skin vitality. As we age, our skin requires more care and attention, and our diet can be one of the most effective ways to support it. In particular, incorporating proteins, vitamins such as vitamin C and E, as well as essential minerals like iron and zinc, into our daily meals is crucial for preserving skin elasticity, promoting skin health, and maintaining overall vitality. A well-rounded diet not only nourishes the skin but also strengthens the immune system, improves metabolism, and helps prevent various health issues that come with aging. The role of protein in skin health. Protein is one of the most important nutrients for skin health. Collagen, the protein that provides structure and elasticity to the skin, is essential for maintaining smooth, firm skin. As we age, collagen production slows down, leading to wrinkles, sagging, and loss of skin elasticity. Therefore, consuming enough protein is essential to help maintain and even boost collagen production. Good sources of protein include eggs, chicken, lean meats, and legumes. Incorporating these foods into your diet ensures that your body has the necessary building blocks to regenerate skin cells and maintain firmness and elasticity. Vitamin C and its role in skin regeneration. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient for the skin, playing a key role in the production of collagen. It helps in the synthesis of collagen, the protein that is responsible for keeping the skin firm, youthful, and resilient. Without adequate vitamin C, the skin can become prone to wrinkles and sagging. As collagen synthesis slows down, vitamin C also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting the skin from damage caused by free radicals, UV radiation, and environmental pollutants. The best sources of vitamin C include citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, as well as vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and spinach. These foods not only provide vitamin C but also help protect the skin from premature aging. Vitamin E for skin protection and moisture. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps protect the skin from damage caused by oxidative stress, UV radiation, and pollution. It helps maintain moisture in the skin, keeping it soft, hydrated, and plump. Additionally, vitamin E plays a key role in preventing the breakdown of collagen and elastin, proteins that are vital for maintaining skin elasticity. Foods rich in vitamin E such as nuts, seeds, avocados, and spinach can help improve the appearance and health of your skin. Incorporating these foods into your diet will provide the essential nutrients needed for healthy skin maintenance. Iron and zinc for skin repair and immune health. Iron and zinc are essential minerals for maintaining healthy skin. Iron helps oxygenate the skin cells, ensuring that the skin receives adequate oxygen to remain vibrant and healthy. Zinc, on the other hand, is vital for skin repair and regeneration. It plays an essential role in cell division and collagen synthesis, and it helps heal wounds and reduce inflammation. Zinc is also important for maintaining a strong immune system, which helps protect the skin from infections and irritations. Foods such as red meat, shellfish, beans, and nuts are excellent sources of iron and zinc. Incorporating healthy foods for optimal skin health. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet can dramatically improve skin health. Focus on including a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. For example, including foods like eggs, chicken, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds in your daily diet provides the essential building blocks your body needs to maintain healthy skin. These foods not only support the production of collagen and elastin but also help protect the skin from damage caused by environmental factors. Conclusion. A balanced diet for youthful skin. A proper diet, rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins, is fundamental to maintaining youthful, radiant skin. By ensuring that you are consuming the right nutrients, such as protein, vitamin C and E, and minerals like zinc and iron, You're supporting your skin's ability to regenerate, repair, and stay firm. Along with exercise, maintaining a balanced diet is one of the most effective ways to promote overall health and skin vitality. Eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods will help your skin look its best, protecting it from the effects of aging and external environmental factors. Improving posture and facial muscle use. Simple exercises for a youthful appearance. Maintaining good posture and exercising facial muscles are essential components of looking and feeling youthful. As we age, our posture tends to worsen, leading to a slouched back, drooping shoulders, and a tired appearance. Similarly, the muscles in our face weaken over time, contributing to the formation of wrinkles, sagging skin, and a dull expression. However, by focusing on improving posture and strengthening facial muscles through simple exercises, we can reverse these effects and maintain a more youthful, vibrant look. The importance of good posture. Good posture is crucial for maintaining a youthful appearance. When we slouch or hunch over, it not only affects our physical health by straining the spine and muscles but also gives an aged and tired look. Poor posture can lead to back pain, neck tension, and even headaches, all of which contribute to a worn-out appearance. On the other hand, standing and sitting up straight can instantly make us look taller, more confident, and more youthful. A straight posture engages the muscles in the back and core, providing better support for the body and improving overall health. Simple exercises to improve posture. A few simple exercises can make a significant difference in your posture. One effective exercise involves standing with your back against a wall, ensuring your heels, back, and head are touching the wall. This helps align your spine properly. Hold this position for 30 seconds, then relax and repeat. Another exercise is the chin tuck. Sit or stand with your back straight. Then gently tuck your chin towards your chest, as if making a double chin. Hold for a few seconds and release. This exercise strengthens the muscles of the neck and upper back, improving your posture over time. The role of facial muscles in youthful appearance. The muscles in our face play a significant role in our appearance. As we age, facial muscles weaken and lose tone, leading to drooping eyelids, sagging cheeks, and deepening laugh lines. Exercising these muscles can help restore their strength and prevent the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. Simple facial exercises can improve circulation in the face, increase blood flow, and promote the regeneration of skin cells, which helps maintain a youthful appearance. Simple facial exercises to prevent wrinkles. There are several easy facial exercises you can do every day to help maintain a youthful appearance. One effective exercise involves raising your eyebrows as high as possible and holding the position for 5 seconds. Then relaxing. This targets the forehead muscles and helps prevent forehead wrinkles. Another exercise involves pressing your lips together, as if making a kissy face, and holding the position for a few seconds before relaxing. This helps strengthen the muscles around the mouth, preventing sagging and lines around the lips. Maintaining a youthful appearance through posture and facial exercises. Consistently practicing these simple posture and facial exercises will help keep you looking youthful and feeling energetic. Improving posture not only enhances your appearance but also supports overall physical health by reducing back pain and improving digestion. Facial exercises help maintain the skin's firmness and elasticity by strengthening the muscles beneath it, preventing the formation of wrinkles and sagging. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to these exercises, you can slow down the effects of aging and preserve your youthful vitality. Conclusion. The power of simple daily exercises. Simple daily exercises for both posture and facial muscles can help you maintain a youthful and vibrant appearance. These exercises do not require any special equipment or long sessions, but their cumulative effect is incredibly powerful. A few minutes a day can make a noticeable difference in how you look and feel, helping you age gracefully. Remember, maintaining good posture and facial muscle tone is one of the easiest and most effective ways to preserve a youthful appearance as you age. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and sharing it with others who may benefit from these tips. Your support means a lot to me, and it encourages me to continue creating content that helps people improve their health and appearance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's continue our journey to a healthier and more youthful lifestyle together.